Year 3 and welcome to another science lesson. So today we're going to be learning about these things. These images are of funny looking things, aren't they? And they are actually something called cells. And all living things are made of cells. You know a lot about living things now and the 7 life processes they carry out. So cells are the basic building blocks of all of those living things. And our bodies are made up of trillions of different cells. Cells are so small you can't actually see them without a microscope. There's a video I want you to watch now, and you'll find the link to it on your distance learning sheet. And some scientists are going to tell you about what a cell is and what a cell can do. Before you watch that video, grab yourself your whiteboard and pen or paper and a pencil, because I want you to take some notes about the new learning you do. What do you know a cell is? What do you find out a cell can do? So watch that video now, take your notes, and then when you're ready, come back to this recording, okay? So some more information for you. Some organisms are what we call unicellular. Those are living things with just one cell. And a good way to remember it is that uni actually means one. A unicycle with one wheel, a unicorn with one horn, and a unifix cube that can only be built with one way. So a unicellular organism has just one cell. But we, as humans, are what we call multicellular. That means we're made up of lots of cells, not just one. And a good way to remember that is that multi actually means many. Here's a Pearl Power link. You know that multiplication means lots of groups, many groups, like we've been learning about in maths. A multi-storey car park is a car park with many levels. A multi-link can be built in many different ways, not just in one direction. So humans are multicellular. We have many different cells, lots of cells. So now we've done some learning about cells, you're going to try and use that new knowledge to help you unscramble these sentences to make them make sense. So you're going to rewrite the sentence in an order that makes sense. So you don't need to add any words, you don't need to take any words away. You just need to move the words around into an order that makes the sentence make sense. So at the moment, this first one reads, alive cells are. And that doesn't make much sense, does it? So we need to rewrite it so it makes sense. So I'd write, cells are alive. And remember, your sentence will need a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop at the end. You can either read those sentences here and unscramble them, but they're also on your distance learning sheet as well. So that's your task for now. Good luck.